Konnichiwa mga KaMochi! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video is an exciting video kasi magkakaroon kami na kimono photoshoot dito sa bahay. And, ayun, abangan nyo yung mga taong kasama ko at yung taong bibili sa akin at yung mag-makeup. So ayun guys, kaya yeah, let's go! Juban, it is basically the undershirt or sleeve of the kimono world. It protects the colorful and often expensive kimono which are difficult to clean. Therefore, it is necessary to wear an inner garment to protect the kimono from sweat. First thing to wear is the tabi. So this socks is explicitly made to be worn with traditional Japanese footwear. The toe area is split into two sections so that you can wear the geta or zori. This is the traditional types of footwear that worn with kimono. They somewhat resemble modern sandals. So guys, may mga juban nga pala na 1 piece and 2 piece. So yung sa akin is 2 piece. So individually siyang ilalagay sa akin sa top and the bottom. So yung ilalagay sa akin is parang palda dyan sa baba. And then yung nakikita nyo kay Sister Edo na white, yan yung 1 piece type ng juban. So dyan sa part na yan, explain niya kung paano itatali yung juban. So, kailangan is from left, siya yung nasa taas, yung right yung nasa ilalim. So, from there, kailangan siyang itali papunta sa harapan para mas tight siya. And para pag nilagay yung upper ng juban is mas maayos siya kapag nilagyan din ng OP. So, ina-explain naman niya dyan yung sa leeg ng juban. Kasi kailangan daw is pa U-shape para pag nilagay yung kimono is maganda siyang tignan. Meron siyang allowance sa pinakaleeg. Kasi minsan, di ba, nagkakaroon ng headdress. So, para mas neat siyang tignan. So, in-explain sa akin ni Sister Edo dyan kung paano mag-tali ng juban. So, dahil sa akin ay 2 piece, so meron ako sa bottom and meron ako sa upper. So, kailangan laging nasa ibabaw yung left side and then nasa loob yung right. Kasi may pamahiin yung mga Japanese dyan pagdating sa mga pagtali-tali at saka sobrang meticuloso ng pagsusuot ng juban pa lang. So what more kung yung mismong kimono na. So, sinasabi naman niya dyan is yung pagdating sa may neck kailangan naka V-shape and tight. And kung sa likod ay U-shape, kailangan sa harapan ay naka V-shape. So, yan. It's time to wear the kimono. Kanina is the juban pa lang. Medyo mahirap na. So, eto na yung pinaka-final wear natin. So, by the way, yung kimono na yan ay sa late wife ng asawa ko. And, yeah. So, merong iba't ibang uri ng kimono. And, dahil married ako, ganyan yung style na para sa married woman. So, we have different types of kimono. We have furisode, tomesode, humonji, yukata, kumon, and iromoji. So, the furisode, it is a type of Japanese kimono worn by younger and unmarried women and girls. It is distinguishable by its long sleeves and often comes in bright colors. So, it is typical kimono worn during Japan's coming of age or seiji no hi. So, what I'm wearing right now is the homongi kimono. This type of kimono is suitable for any age or marital status. You can identify this kimono by the patterns that run over the shoulders and across its bottom. So this type of kimono may be worn to attend wedding or tea ceremony. So what's what Sister Edo explaining there is that yung pinakalaylayan ng iyong kimono dapat ay below the ankle. Hindi yung sobrang haba kasi baka matalisod ka na kapag sumayad sa pinakalupa. So, para hindi mahulog ang ating kimono, it's time to put the koshihimo. So, which means hip ribbon. So, it's a thin piece of fabric that is used to hold the kimono together before tying the more complicated obi. These silk, wool, or soft cotton cords are not seen on the outside, but rather are under the obi. So the other types of kimono is the tomesode. It is a formal kimono that's worn by women who are married, and it may be decorated in intricate crests and patterns. However, these decorations are typically found below the waist. So also my husband is preparing his kimono for our photo shoot. And there you go, we're almost there and matatapos na tayo. Ayan, so medyo pinupulido na lang natin yung pagkaka V-shape ng ating kimono. Ayan. So, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, napaka-meticulosa ng ating pagsusuot ng kimono. Dapat is aligned siya dyan sa likod, sa guhit, sa thread niyan. Kailangan is diretso siya. So, ito na yung time na hindi ka na makakahinga. Na sobrang dami ng tali na ilalagay dyan or ribbon dyan sa bewang mo para mas sexy kang tignan.
Wow!
So guys, yung nilagay sa akin dyan is the tejime. It is a belt that is fastened over the kimono but under the obi, which helps the obi keep its shape.
Kapag, when you wear kimono, you can't eat too much.
It's like wearing corset.
That's why. That's why they just have the tea ceremony while having a kimono.
きついよ。もうだてじめ一緒一緒。
So next is the obi. This is the outermost sash that is tied around the kimono. The knot can be tied in a variety of decorative ways. So ina-explain niya ni Sister Edo na yung nakabukas is dapat nasa pinaka-ibabaw. Yung nakasarado naman is sa baba.
Obi ita. Obi ita.
Para daw sumexy.
So, obi-ita is yan yung nagsusupport sa pinaka-waist mo para hindi mahulog lahat ng mga tinali mo. So, ayan, katulad yung ginawa ko dyan. So, matigas siya and makikita nyo dyan kung paano nagkaroon ng shape yung pinaka-bewang. So, walang katapusang tali ang mangyayari dyan sa bewang natin. So, sabi ni Sister Edo, kailangan is lahat ng tinatali ay itinatago para mas neat siyang tignan. So, yun naman yung ilalagay sa likod. Imbes na ribbon yung ilalagay dahil married ako, ganyan yung ilalagay sa likod. So, katulad ng yan, yung parang maliit na unan, yan yung ilalagay sa likod para maging support naman niya at tumayo or maging square siya sa likod. So, this is the obijime. It is a string which tied on the middle of obi. So, siya yung pinaka-last na itinatali sa ating obi. So, this type of obi is a braided cord. So, most of the braided cords are yotsugumi, yatsugumi, or edogumi. So guys, pansinin nyo kung gaano ka-tight tinatali ni Sister Edo yung obijime. And then explain nyo dyan kung paano ninanap yung obijime kasi siya yung mas nakikita and siya yung final touch dyan sa obi natin. So kailangan daw is naka-overlap yung nasa right and sa left yung nasa ilalim. And then based on the obijime belief that if you have the ceremony of wedding or happy ceremony, it should be up. And then yung parang pom-pom, is naka-up, and then kapag funeral naman is nakababa.
When you wear kimono, how many minutes will it take? How many minutes? For example, you dress yourself, how many minutes?
15分。
Oh,
15
15
分。
minutes
Yes,
only?
yes.
But if you're a first timer, 1 hour?
ああ。ぐらいかかるかな。30分か。ワン。クラリス、着物もう着たくないと思うかもよ。
Yes, this is your first time. This is the first time.
日本人はどうしてこんなきついものを着るの？
Yes, that's also my question.
Bakit nagsusuot ng mga ganito kasikip mga hapon?
Why do Japanese wear kimono when it's so hard to wear it?
So hard. ルアーも嫌っていう。
Sabi niya kanina baka daw ayawan mo pagsuot ng kimono.
That's your culture. What do you call this?
Culture, tradition nila.
Tradition. That's your tradition.
それで
Just like in the Philippines also, we have
いいな。
saya. They call it saya.
Oh,
That's
cute.
our
Barong
national dress. And this is your
Filipiniana.
national dress.
Filipiniana
そ
dress.
れがいい。
But you just wear it. No need to obi. You
そ
don't
う
need to tie
そう
anything.
そう。
It's not complicated.
So-
You just wear it like a
そう
normal dress.
You are single. あ、シングルなって、sorry。シングルはシングル、ヤングは結構これ出す。ふわふわって。
But she's married.
メリルは5ミリ1センチぐらい。ね、細かい。細かい。
Yes, very complicated and very, what do you call this? Precise and concise and what else?
そう。メリ
Detailed.
ルやからこれ。
Very detailed.
こんくらいこう出てる。あ、出てもしょうがないんじゃないですかこれ。
Wala na itsura ng
So, there you go guys. Ayan, natapos na ang ating OP. So, yung makura or yung maliit na pillow dyan sa likod is nagsusupport siya. Kaya hindi siya bow is because I am married. It's time to prep my face kasi kanina ay wala pa tayong makeup artist. Kaya ako na lang muna sariling sikap. Alam niyo naman, sige ate girl, husayan mo dyan.
Gwapo naman ang asawa ko talaga.
so much for watching this vlog. I hope na nag-enjoy din kayo sa pag-wear ko ng kimono. And yeah, and for the entire 2 years ko dito sa Japan, first time ko nakapagsuot ng kimono. Promise. And yun, sana makapunta kami sa Kyoto para marampa namin tong kimono namin. And yeah, if you like this video, just give me some thumbs up, okay? And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, just subscribe na and click the notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga next videos ko. Alright, so I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye, channel!